What up, everybody? So today's video is going to be pretty much something that's going to change the way you use your DJI Osmo Mobile 5. This is going to be the new magnetic phone mount exclusively for DJI Osmo Mobile 4, but it's Mobile 4 and 5 just because it's the same holder and it's the same magnetic base. So if we open it up, it says here, for iPhone 12 or later, MagSafe case compatible, and you can use it with other phones that are not iPhones or even Android phones with the included magnetic ring that comes with this. So if you have an Android or another older iPhone, it'll still work the same way. It'll stick to it pretty strong. And the best part about it is if you see this rear part, it'll actually connect to the back, and it's really strong, or as strong as this. Pretty much, actually it sounded a little bit louder with that one. But point is, one of the issues that comes across when you don't have this or you have the Osmo Mobile 5, you put it on a case like the iPhone 13 Pro, and the problem with the 13 Pro is that it's squared off, or 12 and on, it's squared off, and even a lot of the newer devices it's squared off. And the issue that we're having is the phone clamp itself, it's curved, it's slightly thin. So even if I put it on, you're gonna run into one of two issues. Either A, like right now, if you're at a place and you're trying to record, I just put it on and it's already off it's off center. So if it's not quick, and then even if I move it, the back piece of this does have grip, so it doesn't shift around too much. But you're having to do that. It's a little bit of wasted time. And then to top it off, if you look at the issue right here that I'm having, is that it's curved and it doesn't actually go into the actual phone itself. Even if I flip it to the other side does cover it a little bit, but the other one doesn't, and it's always the same issue. Now, they'll tell you typically, take off the case, put this back on, it'll be enough because there's not a thick case on it. Okay, cool. But then you run into the issue that if you want it dead center, so let's put it dead center. More or less, this is dead center. Now, it's touching the volume down button, and that's a whole other issue if you come across it. Granted, I know not everyone's having the same issue depending on the phone you have, or if you have the time and this is not a big issue for you, cool, no problem. But the solution with this MagSafe magnetic mount for the DJI is that you don't have to worry about taking off your phone, putting this on, and not only that, but now you don't have protection on your phone. It can fall off, slide out, crack, whatever. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but it can happen. So if you have a 12 or newer with MagSafe compatibility and you have a MagSafe case, all you got to do is put it on like so. Put this on here, and again, MagSafe. And it has a tilt, so it lines up right there at the bottom. It got to be like this, not like this. So again, and it's so strong, it's exactly the same strength as the one for the DJI. There it is. So all you gotta do is turn it on. Okay. Perfectly leveled. There it is. So super strong. I definitely don't see anything wrong with this at all. As you guys can see, I can literally, I'm legit pushing it down, trying to make it fall, and it just won't. And you're never going to be walking around like this anyways. So great thing. 20 bucks. I'm going to put the links below in the about description so you can buy it through Amazon just like I did. It's a super great deal. It's one of the best accessories you can get for this device. So if this video was any way helpful, please hit like. Thank you for watching. Peace.